Hi all, in this video I am going to solve more than 50 MCQs in digital system. Don't skip the video. These MCQs are very much useful for competitive examinations. Problem number 1. When 8 adjacent ones grouped horizontally or vertically, the group so found is called 8 adjacent ones. 8 adjacent one means that is horizontal. This is the vertical arrangement of 8 ones. And this is the horizontal arrangement of 8 adjacent ones. So what is the name of this? Normally, combination of 8 is otherwise known as octagon. So in the similar manner, 8 adjacent cells are used by the name octet. Second problem, in K-map, a group of 8 adjacent ones leads to a term with less than total number of variables. If the variables are 3, then only we get 8 adjacent cells. Suppose the variables are less than 3, we cannot get this 8 cells. So the correct answer is option C. Problem number 3. What is the maximum number of variables that can be used in the minimization of K-map? Any number of variable is used in the minimization of K-map. But anyway, the variables is more than 6. It will lead to a tedious process. And more than 6 variable normally solved using computer. So up to this only manual calculation is possible. So option B is the correct answer. Problem number 4. In a 4 variable K-map, a 2 variable product term is produced by 4 variable K-map that consists of how many cells? There are 2 power 4, that is 60 numbers of cells in a coordinate map. Have to consider the variables as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are the variable. Here I have to write A, B and here write C, D. So here A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. Here C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Have to put the 4 adjacent cells. 4 cells are 1. At that time, have to combine all the cells together. I will get B into the common is D. So, in a 4 variable K-map, 2 variable product term is produced by 4 cell group of ones. That is the correct answer. Next, when a Boolean expression contains 4 variables, the number of cells in a coordinate map must be. N number of variable means number of cells in a coordinate map 2 power n. Here 4 variable, so number of cells in a coordinate map 2 power 4, 16. Problem number 6. Which one of the following symbol is not used in don't care in majority of text? The answer is D. Any of the given option A, B and C. Problem number 7. The reason for using gray codes in K-map is. Gray code provides cell values that differ in only 1 bit in adjacent cells. That is the correct answer. Next, problem number 8. In the sum of product function, f of x, y, z equal to summation 2, 3, 4, 5. So first of all, have to use the coordinate map and find out the prime variable. Here, this coordinate map consists of 3 variables, so 8 cells only. So 8 cell coordinate map. Here I have to use x, y, z, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Here I have to put the values. 2 is here 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3. In this way I have to complete this. And I have to put the 1 for the corresponding numbers given. Number 2 have to put 1. Number 3 have to put 1. 4 and 5 have to put 1. Combine these two cells together. These two cells together. So what is the prime implicant? Here x. And which one is common? Y. X, y bar. And here x bar. 0 means x bar. X bar. And here which one is common? The common term is y. X bar y. So the option A is correct. Then problem number 9. The function f of a, b, c is sum of product 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 is equivalent to. Here also 3 variable coordinate map, 3 variable that takes 8 cells. Okay, 8 cell coordinate map. Here have to draw A, put A and B and C. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Here this is A bar, A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. One is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Have to put 1 here, 2 also 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1. So how to combine this? These 4 cells are combined together first. Then these 2 cells are combined together. So what is the answer? Here which one is, there is no common term here. Here which one is common? C is common. C plus here which one is common? Here A bar is there and the common term here is B. B is the common term. A bar B. So C plus A bar B is the correct answer. Option B is correct. And next, while obtaining, this is the 10th one, while obtaining minimal sum of product expression, all don't cares are ignored. B, all don't cares are treated as logic ones. Wrong. C, all don't cares are treated as logic 0. Also wrong. Only such, D option, only such don't cares that aid minimization are treated as logic ones. Option D is the correct answer. Next, problem number 11. The output expression for the coordinate map shown below is. This coordinate map is the 8-cell coordinate map. Here 4 cells are adjacent with each other, 4 cells are combined together. And these 2 cells are combined together, these 2 cells are combined together. For the 4 cells, A is common. Here A and 0, 0, BC, is there any common? There is no common in BC, so I have to write A. Plus, then see the 2 cells. These 2 cells are combined together. Is there any common in A? There is no common. Here is there any common? C bar is common. For both, C bar is common. A plus C bar is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Next problem, problem 12. Which of the following logic circuit is a realization of the function f whose coordinate map is shown in figure? This coordinate map also 8 variable coordinate map. These 2 cells are combined together. These 2 cells are combined together. First of all, I have to write the logic equation for combination of cells. Here C bar and the here A bar, B bar, here A bar, B. Which one is common? A bar is common. So A bar, C bar. This is the first term in the logical equation. Next C, here C, and which one is common for this? B is common. For both the cases B is common. So B into C. See this logical diagram. For the second C part, A bar. Here this is A bar and this is C bar. Both are connected to the AND gate. So A bar, C bar. See, this is B and this one is C. So BC, both are connected to OR gate. So A bar, C bar plus BC. So option C is the correct answer. Next, problem number 13. A combinational circuit has input A, B and C and its coordinate map is shown. The output of the circuit is given by. Here, no more adjacent cells. So I have to circle the single ones. Then I am going to write the equation. So the first equation is A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B, C bar. For this one, A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar. For this one, A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. For this one, A, B, C. A, B, C. So from the first two terms, I have to take C bar. C bar of A bar B plus A B bar plus next two terms I have to take C. So A bar B bar plus AB. See C bar, here this is A XOR B plus C into A XOR B. Next line, how to write C bar, A XOR B plus C, A XOR B, the whole bar. So what is the equation of XOR gate? A bar B plus A B bar. See, C bar and this one, C and this bar. How to write this? A XOR B XOR C is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next, problem number 14. For a function f, the coordinate map is shown above. The minimal representation of f is. Here the four cells are combined together and these two cells are combined together. How to write the expression? F is equal to, here there is any common term, no common term, and here which one is common? The variable C is common. C plus. For these two cells, which one is common? Here A bar and BC and BC bar, which one is common? B is common. C plus A bar B is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Next problem, problem 15. Digital input signal ABC with A as the MSB and C as the LSB are used to realize the Boolean function f is equal to M0, M2, M3, M5 and M7. When Mi denotes ith min term, in addition f as don't care for M1. The simplified expression for K is. Okay. Here three variables are used. Three variable uses how many cells? That is 2 power 3, 8 cell coordinate map. I am going to draw the 8 cell coordinate map first. In a 8 cell coordinate map, here I have to mark A and here I have to mark B and C. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. put M0 equal to M0, min term 0, 1. 2 also 1, M3 1, 5 1, 7 1. In addition to that, F has don't care for M1. So don't care state also given. The simplified expression. So first of all, these 4 cells are combined together. This is quad combination. These 4 cells are combined together. Next I am going to write the expression. F is equal to A bar. There is no common term. Here there is no common term. Here which one is common? C is common. C is common. So A bar plus B is the correct answer for this problem. Next, problem number 16. The following coordinate map represents a function f. The minimized form of the function f is. These 2 cells are combined together. These 2 cells are combined together. So for these 2 cells, how to write the expression? F is equal to x bar. Here which one is common? Y bar. X bar into y bar plus these 2. Here any common x? No. Here how to write y z? X bar y bar plus y z. Option B is the correct answer. Next problem, problem 17. Which of the following circuits is a realization of the above function? What is the above function? F is equal to x bar y bar plus y z is a function. Okay, so which one is correct? See, this is x bar and this one is y bar. Here x bar y bar. Then y. X bar y bar plus y z. So option D is the correct answer. Next problem, problem number 18. So the minimized expression of the given K map X is don't care is minimized expression. So you have to combine the cells including the don't care state, then only the terms will be reduced. Here octet. These all the cells are combined together. Then these 2 cells are combined together. Okay. I have to combine these 2 again these 2. Then only we get the minimum expression. So for octet, first of all I have to write. Is there any common? There is no common. For these 2 the common is A. For example, F is the expression plus. See here, which one is common? Common is C. And for this top, which one is common? 0, 0 and 1, 0. The second B is common. So B bar. C, B bar. The option A is the correct answer. A plus B bar C. Next, problem 19. The simplification in minimal sum of product of f of a, b, c, d is sum of product 0, 2, 3, 6, 7, don't care state 8, 10, 11, 15. So 15 up to 15 is there. So we can use the 4 variable coordinate map. So first of all, I am going to draw the 4 variable coordinate map. 4 variable coordinate map that uses how many cells? 16 cells. That is 2 power 4. Total number of cells are 16 cells. Here I have to draw AB and next I have to draw CD. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 1 1 0. 0 0 all are 0 0. 1 3 2. And next 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. Next I am going to fill the values. 0 1 2 also 1 3 1 6 1 7 1 and 8 is the don't care state is given. 10 is the don't care state and 11 is don't care and 15 also don't care. So how to combine the cells? So here these 4 cells are combined together first and afterwards I have to combine the corner ones including the don't care. So for the quad combination, both are quad combination. For this quad combination, what is the answer? Y is equal to, here which one is common? A bar. And which one is common here? C is common. A bar C. Plus, for this combination, corner cells are combined together. 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 0. B bar is common. And for this, the top, which one is common? D bar is common. So which one is correct? Option D is the correct answer. Next, problem number 20. The output expression for the Carnot map is shown below. So what is the answer? Have to combine these two cells. These two cells are combined together first. And then I have to combine these two cells. Combine these two cells and these two cells are combined together. Okay, so what is the answer? 2 2, then these two. The answer is, this one is AB and which one is common? C is common. ABC. ABC. Both consist of ABC. And for this, which one is common? B is common. And here 0. Second 0 is common. D bar plus B D bar is the correct answer. Problem 21. The truth table for the function f of ABCD is sum of min terms 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9 is, where W, X, Y, Z are given by D is the complement of D. From the given truth table, first of all, I am going to write the function. Have to consider the first column element. So, F is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, W. A bar, B bar, C bar, W. And next column element, A bar, B bar, C, X. And third column element, A bar, B, C bar, Y. A bar, B, C bar, Y. And next, the fifth column element, A plus A, B, B bar, C bar, Z. B bar, C bar, Z. This is the function obtained from the given truth table. And next, using the function, I am going to draw the Carnot map and find out the logical expression. f of ABCD is sum of min term 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9. How many variables? 4 variables. So 2 power 4, 16 cell coordinate map is needed. I am going to draw the 16 cell coordinate map. Okay, in the 16 cell coordinate map, here I am going to take AB and CD. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 3, 2. 4, 5, 7, 6. 8, 9, 11, 10. 12, 13, 15, 14. And next what I have to do? I am going to enter the ones corresponding to these numbers. 0 put 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 8, 1 and 9, 1. And next what I have to do? I have to combine these cells together. First of all, I have to combine the two cells together and the single cell, and here the single cell and these two cells are combined together. Next I am going to write the function. Here this is known as A bar B bar. This is A bar B. This is AB. And the last one is A B bar. Here C bar D bar. C bar D. C D. C D bar. And next write the function. So function f is equal to A bar B bar. Which one is common? C bar is common. So here I have to write the function A bar B bar, then C bar, plus next consider the single one. So A bar B bar C D. A bar B bar C D. Next consider the next single one. A bar B C bar D bar. A bar B C bar D bar. And next these two ones, this pair. A B bar, then which one is common? C bar. A B bar C bar. Next I am going to compare. Already we have derived one f and new f also we have got. Have to compare both. So what about W? W equal to 1. And then A bar B bar Cx. Here A bar B bar CD. So x equal to what? D. And next A bar B C bar Y. Here A bar B C bar D bar. Okay, here A bar B C bar Y, instead of Y I am having D bar. Y is equal to D bar. And last A B bar C bar Z here, instead of Z I am having 1. So what is the answer? 1 D D bar 1. But D is the complement of D. So instead of D bar I am going to write D. Instead of D bar I am going to write the small d. So what is the answer? 1 capital D small d 1. D is the correct answer. And next problem 22. Consider the following. Any combinational circuit can be built using NAND gate, second one NOR gate, XOR gate and fourth one is multiplexer. Okay, here NAND gate and NOR gate both are known as universal gate. NAND and NOR is known as universal gate. In addition to the universal gate, MUX also used to build the combinational logic circuit. MUX means multiplexer. So 1, 2 and 4 are the correct answer. Option D is correct. Next problem, problem 23. What are the two types of basic adder circuit? So there are two different types of basic adder circuit. One is half adder and another one is full adder. In a half adder that uses two inputs and produces two outputs. But the full adder that uses three inputs, two input plus another one is carry in plus it produces two outputs. So two adders are basic adder circuit, half adder and full adder. Option A is correct. Next, 24. A half adder can be constructed using. In a half adder, what is the truth table for the half adder? Now I am going to draw the truth table of the half adder. In the half adder, two inputs are A and B. Outputs are sum and carry. So first I have to put the values. Here 0, 2, 0, 2, 1. In this way I have to fill. 0, 1, 0, 1. 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, but carry equal to 1. Okay, see, have to combine these cells and find out the answer. So see here, 0, 1, 1, 0. So whatever places we get 1, that is when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. So that is known as sum. Sum is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. A B bar, that is known as sum. So what is carry? Carry equal to 1. So both are 1, I will get 1. So AB. So that is carry. So S is equal to similar to what? XOR gate. A XOR B. This is which gate is used to implement this AND gate. So one XOR and one AND gate is needed to build the half adder circuit. Next problem, problem 25. In a half adder having two inputs A and B and two outputs S and C, that is sum and carry bits respectively, the Boolean expression for S and C terms of AB is. So already in the previous problem I have explained sum is equal to A XOR B. A XOR B is written as A bar B plus A B bar. Then carry equal to what? A into B. So which one is the correct answer? Option A is the correct answer. Next problem 26. What are the output bits? Sum and carry of half adder having A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. See A XOR B. When in the XOR, when both are equal to 1, we get output as 0. So 1 XOR 1 equal to 0. And what about carry? Carry is A into B. Multiplication of 1 into 1 that produce the output as 1. So what is the answer? Option C is the correct answer. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. Then to add two m-bit numbers, the required number of half adder is. For example, I am going to add two 2-bit numbers. Two 2-bit numbers. Okay, first of all, I am going to add these 2-bit numbers. So this is A and B, for example. So for adding these two, one half adder is needed. So afterwards, one carry bit will come. So after for adding these two, another one half adder. So half adder 2. So another one carry will come. So again, we have to use another one adder, half adder 3. So 3 half adders are needed for adding any 2-bit number, two 2-bit numbers. For example, how many half adders are needed to add two m-bit numbers? That is 2m minus 1. Because 2-bit means 2 into 2 minus 1. 3 adders are needed. M-bit numbers 2m minus 1 is needed. That is 2m minus 1 is the correct answer.